Alright guys, so we're on our way. Welcome to Joe's RC Corner, and we are on our way to Mexico, Missouri to go pick up my Zenith kit. Like I said guys, I am going to be taking you guys along for this ride. It's going to be a fun long ride here from Las Cruces, New Mexico, and heading all the way up to Mexico, Missouri. So it's going to be a nice long ride, and I hope you guys will join me when we pull into Zenith Aircraft's factory.
Alright guys, so we're at the factory, and this is my kit right here that I'm being shown. Going over all the parts before they close up the box, and I'm ready to load it up. So we continued to tour around the shop. I'm sorry for the poor video. Just looking down at all the parts of different aircraft. That's one of the gentlemen that's packing up my aircraft. And as you can see, I remember them saying that there's roughly about 3 full kits on these shelves. And that's pretty impressive. That's a lot of parts, a lot of aircraft parts sitting around out there. Really nice. So if you ever need a part, and just give them a call and they'll be able to get one for you. So I'm just looking around at one of the other airplanes. This is the Super Duty that's being built right now in the shop that has the sliding seats. I will be doing that in mine. And now I'm gonna get ready for my my demo flight. So here we go.
Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and as you can see, back here at home in New Mexico, and well, my kit made it here safe and sound. Let me turn the camera around and let you guys see. So as you can see, Zenith does a excellent job of packing everything. I don't know if I'll ever be able to get it back in the box, but that's okay. It's not going back in the box. So stay tuned, guys. We'll get all this out of here and get it in there. All right. Okay, guys, so welcome back to the channel, and we are back in New Mexico now. I'm back home and have everything unpacked. I have not started inventorying yet. There is a lot of stuff here. They pack everything really well inside that crate, and I'm really looking forward to getting started on this. Everything so far, from what I can see, is in great shape. No issues there. I'm going to take Roger's advice. I spoke to him while I was up there during the flight, and I'm going to start the fuselage first. And I kind of like that idea because the wings, like he said, it's monotonous. You build one, now you got to build another one. So what I'm thinking about doing is building the fuselage first, because if I have the fuselage, that's going to give me the incentive to go back and get those wings done, because I can sit in that fuselage and pretend I'm flying. So I got to get the wings done, of course. So I like that idea, and I'm going to go ahead and with that. So I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to show you the big mess that I have here right now. Still got to do a lot of organization in here. My shed will be here sometime next week or so. So I'll be able to go ahead and get a lot of stuff out of this corner of my garage, and maybe make up a shelving system so I can get some of those parts back up and out of the way so I can store them nicely. But let me turn the camera around, let you guys take a look. So, like I said, as you can see here, there's the canopy, or the windshield. We got the fuel tanks right over here. Just have those stacked with the foam in between. I really like the gas caps that they put on these. They're really nice. Right in there. So that's all really good. So that's good there. I don't even know what's in that box yet. I haven't gotten to it. Got my A5 rivets and the A4 rivets here. Some more parts over here. The aluminum skins for the fuselage are here. I got to get those laid down flat. Wing spars, more aluminum parts, more steel parts. Tires are over there. The side pieces over here. I mean, I got parts everywhere right now, so I really need to get this organized and figure out what I'm going to be doing next, and got to get that corner cleared out. Like I said, that area right there is going to be storage for as many parts that I can put. Any small parts that I need will be going over there. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I really appreciate you guys signing in. I hope you enjoyed the video. If it's a little long, I apologize. But it is what it is right now. We have a lot of work to do here to get this plane going, to get it started, and a lot of research to figure out what I'm going to be doing here. So, yeah. Awesome. I can't wait. See you guys in the next video. Bye now.